Hello everyone, welcome in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Devaram, Assistant Professor in Department of Geology, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. In the continuation of series of hydrothermal deposit, today we are going to discuss classification of hydrothermal deposit. As we have previously discussed, there are two types of classification of hydrothermal deposit. First one was given by Lindgren 1933, that was on the basis of temperature, pressure and geological relationship, and second one was on the basis of mode of formation. So today we are going to discuss the first classification of Lindgren of hydrothermal deposit, that is the deposits on the basis of temperature, pressure and geologic relationship. On the basis of temperature of deposition, Lindgren had classified the hydrothermal deposit into three groups, that are: first one is the hypothermal deposit, अतितापीय निक्षेप. Second one is mesothermal deposit, मध्यतापीय निक्षेप. And third one is the epithermal deposit. Now, two other types of deposit are further added in this classification, that is the telethermal deposit and xenothermal deposit. Let us discuss all these in the series. First of all, the general characteristic of hypothermal deposit, and that is after Lindgren 1933. The depth of formation of hypothermal deposit is about 3000 to 15,000 मीटर. 3 किलोमीटर से 15 किलोमीटर की गहराई में ये निक्षेप मिलते हैं. टेम्परेचर ऑफ फॉर्मेशन, बनने का तापक्रम, ये लगभग 300 डिग्री से 600 डिग्री तक के तापक्रम पर बनते हैं. Occurrence in or near deep-seated acid plutonic rock in deeply eroded areas, usually found in Precambrian terranes, rarely in younger rocks, often found in the reverse fault. Very interesting, reverse fault में मिलते हैं. Deep-seated acid plutonic rocks और deeply eroded areas में जनरली ये डिपोजिट मिलते हैं. जनरली ओर्स होते हैं: गोल्ड, टिन, मोलिब्डेनम, वुल्फ्रेमाइट, कॉपर, लेड, जिंक, आर्सेनिक एक्सेट्रा के निक्षेप हाइपोथर्मल डिपोजिट में मिलते हैं. और मिनरल्स: मैग्नेटाइट, स्पेकुलेराइट, पायरोटाइट, कैसेटेराइट, आर्सेनोपाइराइट, मोलिब्डेनाइट, बोरनाइट, जैल्कोपाइराइट, सिल्वर पुअर गोल्ड, वुल्फ्रेमाइट, सीलाइट, पाइराइट, गैलिना, Fe rich sphalerite, marmatite, etc. are formed in this process. Example of this type of deposit: gold deposit of Kirkland Lake, Ontario, is of hypothermal type. Kolar and Hatti goldfield of Karnataka, Kalgoorlie, Western Australia, Homestead, Dakota, that is in US, copper and gold of Rowan area, Quebec, tin of Cornwall, etc. are the general example of hypothermal deposits. Now, second one is the mesothermal deposit. मध्य तापीय नीचे मिशो यानी कि मध्यम या इंटरमीडिएट, इनके बनने की अगर गहराई देखें, डेप्थ ऑफ फॉर्मेशन की बात करें तो वो 1200 मीटर से 4500 मीटर की गहराई पर ये बनते हैं। इनका जो बनने का तापक्रम है वो 200 से 300 डिग्री सेल्सियस, 200 to 300 डिग्री सेल्सियस। ओर्स गोल्ड, सिल्वर, कॉपर, आर्सेनिक, लेड, जिंक, निकल, कॉपर, टंगस्टन, मोलिब्डेनम, यूरेनियम एक्सेट्रा के और इसमें बनते हैं। अगर और मिनरल की बात करें तो नेटिव गोल्ड, जेल्कोपाइराइट, बोर्नाइट, पाइराइट, स्पेलेराइट, गैलिना, एनर्गाइट, जेल्कोसाइट, बोर्नोनाइट, आर्जेंटाइट, पिच ब्लेंड, निकोलाइट, कोबाल्टाइट, टेट्राहेड्राइट एंड सल्फोसाल्ट्स एक्सेट्रा इसमें बनते हैं। Example of mesothermal deposit are gold deposit of Bendigo, Australia, silver deposit of Ontario, lead zinc of Cedar Ellen, Idaho, Leadville, Colorado, copper deposit of Butte, Montana. Now, the general characteristic of epithermal deposits. Depth of formation is near surface to 1500 meter. Temperature of formation, that is of low temperature deposit, and they ranges from 50 to 200 degrees Celsius. In this type of deposit, the ores of generally lead, zinc, gold, silver, mercury, antimony, copper, selenium, bismuth, and uranium, etc. are found. Ore minerals like native gold, silver rich, native silver, copper, bismuth, pyrite, marcasite, sphalerite, galena, chalcopyrite, cinnabar, samsonite, stibnite, realgar, orpiment, ruby, silver, argentite, selenite, tellurite, etc. are found. And example of this type are gold of Cripple Creek, Colorado, Comstock, Nevada, and Kivana coppers, antimony of China, etc. are found by the epithermal deposit. Next, the general characteristic of telethermal deposit. These deposits are found near the surface. The temperature of deposits is about 100 degrees Celsius. They occur in the sedimentary rocks or lava flows, often in areas where plutonic rocks are apparently absent. Nature of ore zones: in open fractures, cavities, joints, fissures, caverns, etc. there is no replacement phenomena takes place. And generally the ores of lead, zinc, cadmium and germanium are found by this telethermal deposit. Ore minerals of galena, sphalerite, marcasite having access over pyrite, cinnabar, etc. formed by the telethermal deposits. Now the xenothermal deposits. In Greek, xeno means that is abnormal. The plutons intruded to shallow depth, experimental high temperature fluid into low temperature environment. Under these conditions, the temperature and pressure gradients show exceptionally steep pattern, causing ore fluiding to undergo rapid cooling and sudden deposition of minerals. Hence, ore deposited in short distance and in confused paragenesis, mixed high to low temperature ore deposits near the surface are known as Xenothermal Deposits, and these are given by Woodington 1935. Generally, these are the deposit of abnormal types having mixed type high to low temperature ore deposit near the surface and having confused paragenesis deposited in the short distance. So these are the xenothermal deposits. If we talk about the texture of xenothermal deposit, then host rock are generally fractured and ore minerals are fine grained. In this type, ores of cassiterite, wolframite, magnetite, silicate, molybdenite, sulfur salts, and silver are found. Some gangue minerals are also associated with these type of ores that are orthoclase, tourmaline, topaz, augite, diopside, phlogopite, chalcedony, etc. Example of xenothermal deposit are Pototosi, Bolivia, having cassiterite deposits, Ikunu, Japan, where the sulfide deposits are exist. So all these are classes of hydrothermal deposits comes under the on the basis of temperature of deposits. Thank you very much for watching this video.